I'm ever having any issues with my sewing, the first thing I like to check is my bobbin tension, because that could actually be the cause of a lot of issues that you might be having with your stitching. It is really easy to check the bobbin tension, and first thing you need to do is to remove the bobbin and the bobbin holder out of your sewing machine, and then we're going to do a bit of a drop test. So we're going to hold the top of the thread and we're gently going to jolt the thread to try and make the bobbin holder drop, and ideally we want it to drop about an inch, and if it does then the bobbin tension is set correctly. So we can see that when I jolt that, it doesn't move at all. To alter the bobbin tension is really simple. In with the sewing machine accessory kit, I was given this handy little screwdriver, I suppose, and basically this small end that's on here fits inside the screw that is on the side of the bobbin casing. So we're just going to pop that in there. We're just going to gently turn that anti-clockwise just to loosen it a little bit, and then as we do it, we're going to do it little bit by little bit, and we're just going to keep unscrewing it bit by bit and keep testing it until we see that the bobbin drops. And we can see now that when we jolt it, the bobbin drops down, so that's almost there. So I'm just going to loosen it a little bit more, and then I think that's going to be perfect. That's better. So that jolted about an inch when we dropped it. If when you do the jolt test it drops too much, then simply just tighten it back up using the little screwdriver and the screw, pop it back in your sewing machine, and you'll be good to go with your sewing. Hope you enjoyed my quick tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon.